Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gulsi Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Best Android Widgets. The word widget in Android is a generic term. Let's start with the first question. What are Android widgets? When it comes to money, Android remains on the top of the mountain. One of the key features of the app since 2019 are widgets, and now an integral part of the OS. In terms of features and appearance, Android widgets have developed over the years. For those who live in the salad, widgets for Android's home screen are available, and live notifications such as weather states, news, email, and more are displayed. It also helps you to directly use their device functions, including mixing music, putting on social networks, and much more. Best Android widgets list. Google. At a glance, the Google application is mounted on every Android phone. This is a single full-width widget that updates all day long for traffic or next appointment details. It is a good date and a weather widget if nothing special happens. TickTick What to Do app. TickTick is an excellent task management software with 9 widgets that guarantee that you are much more successful. These include a large multi-page to-do list, a 3D agenda view, and an introductory checklist. Ollie. Ollie is a recent Twitter app and one of the Android's most popular. This refers to apps of excellent functionality. In addition to 3 quick tweeting buttons, a great timeline toolbar is accessible for a special consumer, both for swift study. Tablet Chameleon Launcher. Although the Tablet Chameleon Launcher is no widget, your productivity can be increased by using widgets. You pick the screen area where a Twitter button or RSS feed will be preferred and place it here. DroidPet. Men want to look after wildlife. DroidPet widget is a perfect way to fill the column for those with allergies or who cannot have animal where they live. Taking charge of up to 5 animals concurrently by petting them and playing with them, because if they go to the special farm where they live, they can survive if nobody. Clock Categories Widgets. Minimalist Clock Widget. It comes with a wide range of different designs. The many great choices of the clock have attracted us, and we are confident that you will find them interesting. You can personalize almost all together with fun clock designs. Next is ONCA Clock Widget. Once a widget is that ideal clock widget if you want an easy and minimal interface. It can also adapt the widget to suit your requirement. Weather Categories Widget. OneWeather. OneWeather is a beautiful weather widget showing you clock and weather search feature. You can always let the app use for your location or attach customized locations. Transparent Clock and Weather. What you really enjoy regarding transparent clock and weather, because we have a variety of widget styles and sizes to keep it simple for you to don't get out of the box. Overdrop Weather. Overdrop is a fairly newcomer to the rising weather application genre to Android. This is one of the most appealing and gives the dark sky service incredibly accurate minute-by-minute forecasts. Last but not the least, conclusion. For a long time, widgets were there. It once was one of the feature rendering Android superior to iOS. Our confidence in widgets has decreased these days. There are not too many explanations for better built software, quick settings, device clips, stronger alerts or displays. However, there are only a few things like making notes, weather reports, schedules, to-do lists, etc. We actually don't live in the time we used to live, but now the widgets don't have any meaning. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.